Hello friends, Satyendra here, and in this video let's design this machine part in Creo Parametric. So let's get started. And to do this, first you go to new, part, solid, assign the name and say OK. Now to design this kind of part, first you create all add material feature and then you go for remove material feature. So let's start this part with this base. And for this, go to extrude onto the top datum plane, normal. Now draw a center rectangle first, just like this. Now this is 135 and this is 90. Say OK. Now the thickness is 12 and say OK. So your base feature is done. Now the next feature is this feature, and for this go to extrude. Now this feature is 45 away from this surface. So for this we need a datum plane away from this surface, this side 45. Say OK. Click here. Now that plane is your sketching plane, normal. Now go for reference, select this edge as a reference, draw the line, start from this corner, this side, then this side, then this side. Once again from this point, this side. Delete this vertical constraint, then draw an arc from here till here, just like this, let it be tangent. Then make other side also tangent. Now the dimension. So from here till here, this is 12. Then from here till here, this is 28. From here till here, this is 63. And from here till here, this is 180. Now this dia is 40. Say OK. Flip the direction. Now the thickness is 10. And say OK. Now the next feature is this feature. So go to extrude. Now this feature is equal distance from this center. So for this again we need a datum plane. So select this surface, press and hold Ctrl key and select this surface. So this will automatically generate a center plane. Say OK. Then again click this icon. So that plane is your sketching plane now. Go to reference. Select this reference. Draw a circle. Just like this. Say OK. Now make it symmetry first. Remove this, then this is 18. Say OK. Now I will mirror these two features. You can even mirror after grouping it. Now the next feature is this center feature, and for this go to extrude, right click and select bottom surface, normal. Go to reference, select this edge, this edge, this edge and this edge as a reference. Draw a rectangle, start from here, go this side, just like this. Now this length is 125. Flip the direction. Now go to selected and select this edge. Say OK. So all add material features are done. Now I will go with remove material feature. So let's start with this feature, and for this go to hole, Switch on your axis first, then select this surface, press and hold Ctrl key and this axis. The dia is 16 and this you make it through all and say OK. Now the next feature is these holes, both side, and for this again go for hole, select this surface, then this drag handle to this surface and this drag handle to that surface. So this is 45 and this is 22. This you make 2 next and say OK. Mirror this feature to this datum plane and your part is done. Now if you see all around, it looks like this. So that's it from this video. Now you can like this video if you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.